everyone, this is Sandy Racy with StampACrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me today. I have a cute summer theme card. This is one of the cards that we did in our July workshop. So July was all about summer. We did summer theme for card class. We did it for our workshops. Kind of our last hurrah, because of course in August we want to maybe start preparing for September. I know it's going to cool down. We have a few days of cool weather. It's going back up, but you know, we're going to take advantage of that. Okay, today I am using the Turtley Sweet stamp set. Now this is not the one that goes with the Sweet, it's one that goes with the scrapbooking kit. But I had bought this because it does have some summer themes. I love the Smiles and Sunshine. We're going to use that. This Good Times. This is great for scrapbooking or even just cards. And then, even though this has a sun, I wanted to use this one because it had the little smiley face. Because it Smiles and Sunshine. I mean, why not? So this is a super cute card, or a super cute stamp set. Blah, blah, blah. I can't even talk. It also has the word summer here, which I just now saw. Did I use it? No. It would have been perfect, though, for this month. Okay, so we are going to make a slimline card, and I am using, what color is this? This is Darling Duckling, and I've got a piece of Darling Duckling designer paper. I'm going to post, because I can't think of the name of this, Impressions of Bloom, or I don't know. I'll post it on my blog because I can't remember things. So I do remember this is Night of Navy, and this is Basic White. And then we have our ribbon. Now our in colors, select in color products are 15% off this month, so you want to take advantage of that. Okay, I will post measurements, but we're doing a slimline card. And I'm going to do my stamping first. So we're going to do some stamping on here and on here. Now this is going to eventually glue to the bottom of my card, or my white. So I'm going to put that there for now so that it kind of gives me a visual for stamping. And I'm using Darling Duckling. And what I've done on that Smiles and Sunshine, it's one stamp, but I cut off the Smiles and. I cut that off, and I just have this big word Sunshine. And we're going to do this in the Darling Duckling. I'm going to stamp it over here on the left above my designer paper. Just a little bit. We're going to put some ribbon on there. Give it a good press. Perfect. All right, I'm going to stamp a little bit more. Let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to take my sun. That's from the Choose Happy stamp set. And then in the Turtley Sweet, we have these little kind of like sunburst. I don't know what they are. Little bubble pops. I don't know. That's what I'm calling it. Okay, that's it for this color. And now we're going to grab our Night of Navy. And we are going to stamp the Smiles and. I think I'm done with that. Well, it looks like I got yellow ink. That's okay. Smiles and right here where it would normally go. Cute. Doesn't that look good in two different colors? Love it. And then here's my little smiley face for my son. It's very small, so you want to be careful not to press too hard. And then on the inside, we're going to do It's Your Day. This would be a cute summer birthday card. It's your day. Love it. You could do a sunshine in there too if you want. Okay. What I am also going to do, let's see, I'm going to get light Darling Duckling in my blends. And we're just going to do a quick color on the inside of the sun. All right, we are ready for some assembly. Let's put our designer paper way down at the bottom. Okay, we're going to adhere this to our Night of Navy cardstock. Looks like I might have had a little ink right there on the corner of my block. Wasn't being careful. We'll see if we can get it off with our sand eraser. Probably most of it, not all. Alright, it's a little lighter. I'm not going to worry about it. Okay, let's grab a little Scotch tape and tape our ribbon around. I don't want it too far over the seam. I don't want it covering any of my words. Okay, and now we're going to adhere this to the card front. We are not popping anything up on this one. Now, Stampin' Up! Does not carry envelopes. I did buy a pack of Slimline size envelopes from Amazon. Just FYI, from Amazon. All right, we're going to use these little, what are they called? Starburst sequins, which is perfect because we have these little starbursts right here. And you can see I've used almost the whole thing. And we're going to grab a large yellow, a small yellow, and you could put them in there if you want. I'm not going to. And then I'm going to do a large white one right there. And I think that adorable summer card is done. Isn't that sweet? So don't forget that when you spend $50 with me before tax and shipping, you'll get a kit of that month's card class projects for free. I'll mail them out to you. You get a PDF, and yeah, I would love to have your business, and I will see you all soon. All right, bye-bye.